Dear students, Namaste. This is online classes, objective bits in the straight lines. Already we solved some problems and we completed what I posted to you, that is 30 problems in the 4 papers. Out of 30, 21 problems are related with the CET and the remaining are that type. Of course, the problems may be related, but the type of, the method of that given question is a different one. Matching and one question is given, more than one option is multiple answers are there. More than one option, the 1 or 2 also, 1, 2 or 1, 3 or 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4 like that is there. So that model is not there in our CET. Leave it out. Only 1 to 21 problems are related. Okay. After that one, I take a typical problems. Okay, na? So 1 to 5 is also included in the previous. Now it is 6 to the remaining. 10 problems are there. Total 10 problems are of different models. Now we are going to solve the 6th one. If the image of the real point, it is a real point, minus 7 by 5, comma, minus 6 by 5. In a line, with respect to a given line, is 1, comma 2. Then the equation of line is, you see, this is a required line. We have to find the equation of this line. The real point is minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5, P. And the image point is, actually formula is H comma K. Leave it out. That is 1, comma 2. Okay, now? The midpoint of PQ, say R, that is lying on the line. Okay, now? So, here we needed to find the midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ is minus 7 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, na? Similarly, minus 6 by 5 plus 2 by 2. By calculation, minus 7 plus 5 minus 2 by 5 into 2. 5 is denominator, 2 is denominator. Minus 6 plus 10, that is 4 by 5 into 2. That is 2 to cancel, minus 1 by 5, 2 2 so 2 by 5. So this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Okay, now? The slope of required line. We need the slope of required line because required line is passing through the point capital R. Point slope R. We need the slope. That is the slope of required line is minus 1 by slope of the perpendicular line, PQ. So minus 1 by PQ means difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. By calculation it is minus 3 by 4. These are simple calculation. You do it with your own effect. Now the required line is y minus y1 because it is having the slope this one. This is the slope m. This is the slope m. Slope of required line. Okay, na? And then it is passing through the point. So y minus y1 is m of x minus x1. Okay, na? It is also simplification. Okay, na? Y minus y1 2 by 5. X minus of minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. By simplification we get 3x plus 4 by minus 1. Okay, na? So that is here. It is the 3x plus 4 by minus sent to the side. Minus 1. So that is the thing. Okay, na? Now we'll go to the next problem. Okay, now, what is the 7th problem? If 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 is a perpendicular bisector of line segment joining A and B. We are given a perpendicular bisector. A point is given and B point we don't know. It is the 7th one. A is 1 comma 1 by 3. B is not given. but it is a perpendicular bisector. The line equation is 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a perpendicular bisector of A. That means it is a perpendicular as well as it is a perpendicular as well as it is passing through the midpoint of A. C is the midpoint. Okay now? That is a perpendicular bisector. We have to find the B point. Okay, the B point is needed. Suppose it is a H comma K ratio. The midpoint, okay now, the midpoint C is lying on this one. This one equation. Midpoint C means it is a H plus 1 by 2 K minus K plus 1 by 3 by 2. It's okay now? K plus 1 by 3 H plus 1 by 2. Okay now? It lies in this equation. 2x plus 3y minus 5 r is equal to 5. It is 2 of h plus 1 by 2. Okay now? And 3 of y. Y is k plus 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay now? It is 2h plus 2 is equal to 3k plus 1 by 3 is equal to 10. Okay now? 2h plus 2. 3k plus 3 into 1 by 3 is 1 only. 3 into 1 by 3 is 1 only. Okay, now 3k plus 1. Y totally by 2 is there. That is 10. So it is 2h plus 3k is equal to 7. It is one equation. In order to find hk, we can get it. Okay, now again slope of AB into slope of that line. Okay, na? Line. It is 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Is equal to minus 1 because they are perpendicular, 90 degrees. The slope of AB is k minus 1 by 3 by h minus 1. Into slope of this one is minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. That implies here this minus cancels. It is 3k minus 1 by 3 into 2 na. It is 3 of h minus 1. Okay then? 3k or otherwise let it be 3k minus 1 by 3 is there. This h minus 1 goes to that side. Okay, na? Into h 3 also. But it is minus 1 cancels, 2 is also there. Yeah, 2 is also there. Now it is 6k minus 2 is equal to, it is 9h minus 9. Okay, this 3 also goes to that side. It is 6k minus or 9h minus 6k. Okay, now goes to that side. You send to this side. This is a second equation. By solving these two, we can get that point. Okay, now? This is one method, is a raw method. Okay, now? We can get by solving this one. It's a simple one. Easily we can solve this one. You multiply with 2, that is 4h plus 6k is equal to 14. It is 9h minus 6k is equal to 7. By adding, it cancels, it is 13h is equal to 21. So h is equal to 21 by 13. H is equal to 21 by 13 is only there. Okay, 21 by 30, 21 by 13 is also there. First one or otherwise the last one. These two are not. These two are not. Okay, na? And substitute in it. Anyone. That is in this one or in this one. It is 9, not in this one, in 1. This one is substitute. This is 3k is equal to 7 minus 2h. 7 minus 2h is 21 by 13. That is 91 minus 42 by 30. This is 3k. Okay, na? So k is equal to how much? It is I think 49. 9, 5, yes, 9. 49 by 13 is there. Try to understand it. 49 by 13 is there. The different ink I will write it. It is 49. Okay, then by 13. But this is 3k. Therefore, what is k? What is k means? Therefore, k is equal to 49 by 3 13s 39. So no doubt the first one is correct. Okay, in a different way I will do it. Another method. You see, as usual, we know it. This is the required line. It is 1 comma 1 by 3 is P point. Okay, na? And it is Q image. Just like the B, it is A is given. It is A and it is B. And the midpoint C. This is a required line. It is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Okay, now you see there, this is a perpendicular bisector in reverse order. B is the image of A here in reverse order. B is image of A. Okay, now with respect to 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So h minus, let it be hk. H minus 1 by this one by 2. K minus 1 by 3 by this 3 is equal to minus 2 of, okay, na? It is minus 2 of, okay, na? This is satisfied by this point. It is 2 into 1, okay, na? 3 into 1 by 3 minus 5 is equal to 0, na? By 2 square plus 3 square. The formula is there. So h minus 1 by 2 is equal to k minus 1 by 3 by 3 is equal to minus 2 of 2 plus 1 minus 5 by 4 plus 9 30. Is okay, na? K is minus 2 4 by 30. So h minus 1 is equal to 8 by 13 plus 1. H value directly. So that is equal to how much? 21 by 13. This is already, we know that value. This is a h value. Again, k minus, in this one, k minus 1 by 3 is equal to, okay, it is 12 by 13, k is equal to 12 by 13 plus 1 by 3. 39 is LCM. This is 36 plus, so it is 49 by 39. Okay, na? So whatever the method is, it is a somewhat short method. Okay, na? Or one more thing is also there, one more method. You find the midpoint. Okay, na? That means this is, you take by verification method, you take this one as B and find the midpoint. That satisfies the equation. And like that also we can verify the thing. You get it? Yes, pass. Okay, now eighth problem. Eighth problem is, it is somewhat a different one. Observe it. This concept is not in our concept syllabus. Equation of a line equidistant from the two given lines. Okay, now the two given lines are like this. One is 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Another one is 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, na? 2x plus y plus 4. This is 3x plus 6x minus 5. A line is like this. A line is like this. That is like this. It is angle bisector. Internal angle bisector is external angle bisector also is there. This line from this line, if it is how much distance is there, here are the same distance. Okay, na? That is the meaning. Here the question gives that meaning. The required line is equidistant from the two lines. So here this line is, suppose it is L1, it is say L2. Okay, na? Then equation to angle bisector of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is a formula is there. L1 by root of a square plus b square plus or minus L2 by root of L square plus m square. Suppose L1 is ax plus by plus c is equal to L2 is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Assume that. This is ax plus by plus c only. It is lx plus my plus n. Okay, then is equal to 0. One time plus, another time minus. So like this, you take 2x plus y plus 4 by root 4 plus 1 or 2 square, 4 plus 1, or otherwise I will write 2 square. Plus or minus, next one is 3x plus 6y minus 5 by root of 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 0. Correct? You see, here it is 2x plus y plus 4 by root 5 plus or minus it is 3x plus 6y minus 5 by root 9 plus 36, 45, root 45. That means root of 9 into 5, that is 3 root 5. So it is 3 root 5 is equal to 0. Root 5 cancels. So it is 6x plus 3y plus 4 plus or minus 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0. Correct? Now from this one, it may be one thing. 9x, 6x plus 3x. If you take plus 6y plus 3y plus 6y is also 9y. 4 plus of minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, or otherwise 6x minus 3x. 3x 6y minus 3y. Minus 6y minus 3y. 4 minus of minus plus 9. Okay, na? So I think it may be x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 or this one. Okay, na? You see which is there. Which one is there? You see there. I think I did some mistake here. The arithmetic mistakes. It is 3, 4, so 12. Yeah, 12. So 12 minus 5, it may be 7. Okay, na? 12 minus half minus plus 5 is 17. Now it will come. Okay, then now you see there. Which one is there? 3x minus 3y plus 12 plus 17. First one is there. Okay, now like this. But here you see, one is internal and another one is external. But here that question, that concept also not there. Internal, external, two types are there. But here, if you solve the two, It will come. The internal is given. External also is there. Okay? Okay. But here the 10th question is clearly given, you see. Acute angle between the lines. Angle bisector of the acute angle. That is the internal angle. It is also called as the internal angle bisector of the lines. Okay? Na? How to find? I will tell it. Okay? Na? The procedure is same. In this question, that is not clearly asked. Next we will go to this one. Okay, na? Yeah. Just pass. Yeah. Eighth one is over. Equidistant. The line which is equidistant from the two given line means it is angle bisector, whether it is internal or external. The very clear picture is there. It is related with the 10th problem. I want to solve it. Then the 9th problem. Okay. Two lines are there. L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0. Here L1 is A1x, B1y plus C1. Where L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2. Two different lines are there. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are different coefficients of x, y and constant. Here the angle bisector. You see in a line, two lines are there. It is the angle between the line internal, it is external. How can you say internal, external? Very simple. One is acute, one is obtuse. Obtuse means the angle is which is more than the first one. Suppose it is 60 degrees, it is 120. If it is 50 degrees, it is 130 degrees. If it is 90, it is also 90. Like that. One is acute, another one is obtuse. Which angle is lesser is acute. You see very clearly is given. Acute angle bisector. AAB. Whereas obtuse angle bisector is OAB. Simply. Again, I want to give one table. It is a condition. One condition is there. A1, A2 in the coefficients. A1, A2 plus B1, B2. If it is less than 0, I mean greater than 0. If it is that calculation is greater than 0, it is positive. Then acute is a plus. This method you know in the 8th problem. L1 by root of A square plus B1 square. L2 by root of A2 square plus B2 square. That is, yes, okay. If this condition A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is positive greater than 0, positive, you take it. Positive means acute is plus, obtuse is minus. If that calculation is less than 0 means negative. Means acute is negative, obtuse is positive. Just it is often confusion, but you remember it. If the question is asked like that, you make. One more thing that I want to tell you. This concept is a good concept. So you learn it. Whether it comes or not, that is a different one. It is a very good concept. Please note it. Not only the CET exam, many other exams are there. After writing the exams, you can face so many exams. So it is useful. For only now, CET. JEE mains also, it is very, very useful. Okay, now you see, the same condition I apply here to find the acute angle bisector. That is acute angle bisector means, so we are given the two lines. It is 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 and this is L1. L2 is x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay then. First, A1, A2 plus B1, B2. What about 2 into 1, 2 here 1. Plus here it is B1 is minus 1, B2 is also minus 2. It is 2 plus 2. It is 2 minus 1 is plus 2. So it is 4 greater than 0. So acute is this one. Acute is plus will come. That is 2x minus y plus 4 by, it is root of 4 plus 1 or 2 square 4 plus 1. Plus is there. And L2 is this one. This is x minus 2y minus 1 by, it is root of 1 plus here also. 1 square minus 2 square 4 is equal to 0. So both will go to that side, is okay. So 2x plus x is 3x minus 5 minus 2 minus 3y. This is plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x minus 5 plus 1 must be there. You see there where it is there. X minus 5 plus 1 is there. Okay, Rina? If you are asked to find an obtuse angle OAB, then use minus. Okay, very simple. Like that. But it is based on the condition. This condition is very, very important. Which one? This condition. This condition, finding this condition is important. Okay, like that we have to. And that problem we have to try, and I will tell in the next class. Okay, yeah, the past.